Expensify is a powerful expense management platform designed to streamline the process of tracking and reporting business expenses. Here's a guide on how to use it effectively. Sign up. Visit the Expensify website and sign up for an account. Choose a plan that suits your business needs. Connect bank accounts or credit cards. Link your bank accounts and credit cards to Expensify to automatically import transactions. Alternatively, manually upload expense receipts and information. Create expense reports. Categorize expenses by type and assign them to specific projects or clients. Expensify offers customizable tags and categories for organization. Submit reports for approval. If required by your organization, submit expense reports for approval. Approvers can review and either approve or reject expense submissions. Reimbursements. Receive reimbursements for approved expenses directly to your bank account or through other payment methods. Integration. Expensify integrates with various accounting and payroll software such as QuickBooks, Xero, and NetSuite, simplifying the reconciliation process. Policy compliance. Expensify allows you to set custom expense policies to ensure compliance with company guidelines and IRS regulations. Mobile app. Take advantage of the Expensify mobile app for capturing receipts on the go, tracking mileage, and managing expenses from anywhere.